Hi, grade 5/6s. So today you're going to be writing an end of the year letter. This letter will be to future students who will be entering into grade 5. You can include things that you enjoyed about your year this year and things that you wish would have been different. So you can discuss your experience in grade 5 or as a grade 6 student, or you can just discuss it as like a combined class. That's fine, however you want to do it. Please remember that this is going to be a friendly letter, and we've worked with friendly letters throughout the year. You need to remember that a friendly letter contains 3 parts. It has an opening, a body, and a closing. So you will see that I have attached end of the year letter, a Google Doc, to the bottom of the assignment. And when you open this up, I have provided you with an opening. You just have to do the body and the closing. So your body should have your kind of discussion about your experience this year written in it. And I'm expecting your body will be at least 2 paragraphs. It can be longer, but definitely at least 2 paragraphs there. And then you will also create the closing for your letter. Please remember to put your name in the closing so that the reader knows who the letter is from. So after you complete the letter and you have checked for punctuation, spelling, and conventions, and you are happy with what you've written, I'd like you to take your letter and turn it into a Flipgrid. So a few things about this. I know some people have laptops that are kind of slow. My laptop personally is also sort of slow, and also if you have spotty Wi-Fi, creating a Flipgrid may not be possible for you. So if you can't do it, that's not a problem, but it would be a nice touch, I think. So if you feel that you can create a Flipgrid for this, please, well, you are watching this video, so just make sure that you watch this video all the way through in order to know what you're supposed to do. And in the Flipgrid, all you're going to be doing is you're just going to be reading the letter that you had just written in Google Docs. So if the name Flipgrid sounds familiar to you at all, it would be because we have worked with Flipgrid this year. So earlier in the year, we were working on creating summaries. So we took a newspaper article and we summarized it and wrote the most important points on a cue card. And then we recorded what we had written on the cue card as a Flipgrid. So everybody would have created a Flipgrid at one point or another, but we haven't done it in a while. So I am going to go over the steps of how to do this again. Another note about this is that I took a screenshot of the Flipgrid recording screen. Currently right now I am recording my own screen, and I can't record my own screen and then record myself on a Flipgrid at the same time. It's just too much for my laptop to handle. So instead I have a picture of what your Flipgrid recording screen will look like, because there's a few things I want to point out to you before you start. So the first step is that you are going to go down to the attached documents and links that are attached to the assignment. And there is one that says Flipgrid, and it has a bunch of numbers and letters next to it. You're going to click on that. So I'm going to do that right now. So this is our grade 5/6 Flipgrid homepage, basically, and you have the option to log in with Google or Microsoft. So we are going to click log in with Google. Now, in order to log in, it's really easy. It's just the same username and password you use to get into the Google Classroom. So you're just using your GNES-PES information to log in. So I'm going to click on that button now. So as you can see, I have Flipgrid is giving me the option because my accounts have already been used on this computer. I also have Milo's account here just as I was helping him with a few kind of login glitches at one point, so that's why he's there. I'm going to click on my own account at the top. So here is the Flipgrid end year letters page. I've written some instructions below in case you have forgotten what you were supposed to do. But in order to record a video, all you need to do is scroll down to the end of this page, and on your left-hand side, you're going to see a very big green circle with an addition sign in the middle, and that is where you're going to click in order to start camera and microphone up so you can record on video of yourself reading the letter. So there's a button right there. So like I'm not going to, because my computer can't handle screens at the same time, so I'm actually going to exit out of this and show you what the recording screen Flipgrid look like once you click on the green button. So here's the recording screen and what it looks like. And there's just a few buttons I want to point out to you. So like last time we did this, I am encouraging you to use a filter to cover up your face. This is to ensure confidentiality when you're recording. So there is two ways that you can do this to kind of mask your identity. The first one is by using the purple, bluish, kind of crystal ball looking icon to your left. And when you click on that, a bunch of options will come up on your screen. There will be one that kind of looks like a green monster on your right-hand side. And if you click on that, it will blur your screen completely so that your identity cannot be kind of really made out. If you'd rather not do that, you can also use the option of using an emoji. So if you click on the button in the middle, it will give you a huge list of a bunch of different emojis that you can use. You can choose one and it will appear on your screen. You can increase the size of it just by dragging and put it over your face. The only thing I will tell you about this is that if you move your face during the recording or move your position, the emoji won't follow you. It will stay in one place. So that's just something to be aware of before you start. Once you've got all your filters set, you can then click the red camera button down below. That will give you the option to start recording. And then you will record yourself reading the letter that you created. When you are done, Flipgrid gives you an option to preview the recording, so you can do that if you want. And then there is a green arrow where you will just submit. You don't have to attach a link to this video in the classroom. It will just stay on our Flipgrid homepage and I can access it from my phone. So don't worry about having to attach the video to the assignment in Google Classroom. You don't have to do that. You just have to record it in Flipgrid and then you can close out the window. Now, the Google Classroom, however, you do still have to turn in the assignment because it still has your end of year letter that you would have typed in Google Docs attached. So please make sure that you are turning in the assignment because I do need to see the letter. But the Flipgrid video, you don't have to attach inside the Google assignment. I'll already have that in a separate kind of platform. So that is the assignment for today. Like I said, you're going to create the letter and then you're going to take it and record it as a Flipgrid. If that's not possible, that's okay, but it's just kind of a fun technology step that I thought I'd put it in case you're interested. So that's the assignment. If you have any questions, you can message me in the classroom, comment on the assignment stream, send me a Gmail. I know with the technology piece, there might be some more questions than usual. That's okay. Feel free to reach out. Good luck, have fun, and we'll be chatting soon. Bye.